Greetings everyone and welcome to Fireworks Mania. In this game, you blow shit up. Begin. This is most likely just for my enjoyment. I like blowing shit up, see what it looks like. Don't worry, I got myself new headphones, so I should not... Oh, I got myself a flashlight. Q for tools. Physics tool. Alright. And we basically try to blow shit up. Gas station. Oh, smoke. Oops. What about the tools again? I like making stuff go boom. Just need those. Ta-da! And then you can't see me doing war crimes. Can I? Welcome to the grocery store. Oh, I love those. I honestly really like those. You just basically take a cup and you get icy to eat for days. This shit always slap. Anyway, we are gonna start with something. Let's go with something really outdated. 2021. It seems like the best place. Yep, I am officially deaf. Jeez. I'm not gonna complain. Ah, America. Of course. Ah, this will be fire. Absolutely perfect. Trust me. I mean, how can you not trust this face? Time to run! Nelva? This actually looks nice. Question mark in there. Well, as they say, FBI open up. Oh, you want, eh? You think you can just not open up? Oh, I'm about to declare World War III on this pawn shop. Just watch. We need something that would strike. Firecrackers, no. Whole fucking cakes. We will open that door one way or another. There we go, there we go. Just blow this shit up. The rest the process is, it will be most likely fine. Now I just need to connect this and take a one step back. Fix X2, move objects, connect. There we are. Our thing is set. Let's take a big step back. We set the store on fire. Wait, it actually... We broken the doors. Holy shit, I actually did that. Tim? Who the fuck is Tim? What the fuck is Tim? Wait, if I can lit this shit up. We will check out Tim later. I wanna see what Fat Bill does. To the gas station. Give me a moment, because this is about to be a blast. Literally. That's a 4. 5. Excuse me. I kinda overslept the school. Fire in the hole! Let me lower the... That didn't do shit. Alright, plan B. Plan B being... let's throw a doom boom there. Just need to light this shit and pick it up. Well, that didn't work. Let's see if I can get something else then. Oh, look at this. We got some YouTubers here. Captain Sensible. Yeah, I used to... I like watching Captain Sauce. Strongly recommend. I think you know the... Don't mind if I do. If this won't blow this shit up, I don't know what will. And trust me, I'm ready to test it out. Oh, this doesn't have a fuse. Stay. No, I just need to light it up. Fly, my son. We did some mild damage, but it's not good enough. I wanna blow shit up. You know what? Let's fill this shit up with something really, really strong. Amazing Granny ain't my first choice, but you know, I give it a shot. Let's see how many Amazing Grannies can fit into this store. I mean, I should probably fill this with retirement. I should probably fill... The last thing you should be having is this many old people in a store. Oh Jesus, this takes too long. Let's switch it up, let's have a bit of everything. for my own enjoyment. More stuff. I wanna see this shit go boom. Pun intended, because the name of this. I don't beehive. I don't wanna set. I actually do. I wanna set the world on fire. I wanna kill all of those bastards. You know what? They will be stacked to the roof with new stuff to sell. And I am a late buyer. Oh, this will be amazing to watch from afar. Just need messenger. Nice pick. That's basically I can probably fit there. I'm not using auto clicker, by the way. I'm doing this the self classic way. Just tap the fucking mouse until you are dead. That should be enough, right? Just close this shit off. I just need one doom boom and then a run. If this can even work, that being. Well, good news, it can work. Bad news, I need to. Fuck away. Did I just nuke it? Time to get it. Just a bit. I think I just nuked this place to shit. Bells, jingle bells, blow up this shit. How are you gonna breathe? See, this is what I'm talking. I think I just set off some secret nuke base, or the airstrike is firing back at me. Maybe both. Well, goddamn. I'm pretty sure I just pissed off someone's government and they are sending missiles down right now. How is that gas station still in one piece? No, I think it really shouldn't by this. You know, since I beat fence, I wanna see what this will do. Well, my game is still on. How are they firing out of there? guess we will just enjoy the fireworks. No motion blur. Blow this shit up. That's fun. How is that stand still standing? It shouldn't be alive. You're still alive, for fuck's sake. Please stop. Well, let's check out the demi. Looks like we survived. The rest of the city, however, not so much, eh? Well, good news. Everything is still stocked. But just let me in. Sweat. You know what? I'm getting myself in one way or another. You wanna still stand alive and not let me in, eh? I'll always see about that much. Oops, that was planned. I just need to send this to the space. Fly, my son. It didn't do shit. Alright, plan B. Granny, help out. This shit just won't blow up, will it? Alright, you wanna go? Let's have some fun, shall we? I'm asking Mr. Sauce for a little help with demolition. Because, let's be frank, I think we all saw what he can do. Freeze, thanks, and light. Well, gee, thanks, mate. That really helped a lot. Alright, let's move this. Physics 2. This feels awful. This feels like an awful idea. It most likely is. I even got myself a disclaimer, please don't do this in real life, and I have to agree on that. Please don't do this, like, ever. You'll be on some kind of FBI watch list in no fucking time. But... nice house we're having right here. Just take this all. My bad. Wait, can I blow this up house to shit? I think I probably can. Just need to close you. I'll pick you up, for fuck's sake. It's on the roof, eh? That seems... awfully familiar. I think it's some kind of movie reference. Well, anyway, let's blow this shit up. And this time I'm gonna try something bit more, how do we say it? Fun. Because I think we can probably do a bit more damage with good old fashioned propane tank in the back. This shit will blow. Quite literally. We can also have some. You know what? I feel like I'm kind of a honey person. So we will have honey fireworks. Thanks so much honey for sponsoring this video. Legal disclaimer, this ain't sponsored by honey, but you know, I just had to make that stupid joke for my own sanity's sake. What's left of it. I mean, how much of sanity can you actually have with this? If you planning to blow up somebody's building, someone's house, someone's livelihood. Somebody used to live here. I'm saying used because they will have to move once I'm done. You know what? Let's have some fun. Let's have some actual red smoke. Scattered all around for my own fucking enjoyment. I love the red smokes. I love smokes. Especially cool one like red. Or do I have green? Locked. I guess I will just have to look, eh? Well, you know, what else can I actually throw in this hellhole? This looks interesting, maybe stupid, and let's say inhumane, but interesting nonetheless. We still got second floor to go to. What am I waiting for? Let's have some fun with Fear of the Dark. Because that seems like an appropriate racket, because there won't be any dark left. I'm gonna have whole Big Bang happen here. The whole universe will beg me to fucking stop whatever I'm doing. Or I'm gonna start another inside of it by this point. It all started with the Big Bang, bang, bang. Anyway, we can probably fit more bombs in. For fuck's sake, let's have some fun. More bombs. I'm not stopping until this place looks like a... or I get stuck on a couch. Well, I hope you are ready for some fun. Because this is about... You know what, let's have Granny upstairs. Seems perfect idea. This can't go wrong by any level, right? This will just be a happy little explosion, happy little accident. And we will level the city with this one house full of... What else can I fit in this hole? Let's have some fun. Seems the game has some New Year's and I kinda wanna celebrate this one. It's 2024, time flies. So Granny and New Year sounds like a good night. Or whatever, because I'm betting my house this won't be a night by the end of this. We will have whole daylight, whole supernova happen here. Another room. Nice bathroom, I like it, I like it. Perfect for Popper Boy. I think that's how you pronounce it. I am not a native English speaker, so please give me a bit of a break. Let's fill this shit up with boys and blow them up. Bomb the Crimson Gate with ammunition. And perfect. This room is stacked. And you know what? I wanna see what Sam's Gone Wild can do. Cause I like Sam. Sam is nice dude. So let's throw 90 of them in my bedroom. I'm not gonna apologize if that sounded wrong. I really couldn't care less. Bomb the crimson. So, how was your day going? Mine was kinda bad, that's why I'm planning to blow this whole shit up. For stress relief. That's more fun for the kids than giving dogs Vietnam flashbacks. Yes, I borrowed that joke from you know who by now, right? I blown one of his fireworks up. I'm pretty sure you can guess by now. I'm not one to deny that I'm stealing jokes. Oh, we only need to fill the kids' room. I'm pretty sure something called Fat Bill should not be near any kids. That's why I'm gonna put it here. So there won't be any kids' room left once he's done. Right, Bill? Bomb the cream. Ready, boys? It's fucking showtime. I'll say, hey, bro, get me out. There we are. All set for the big finale. And that being, I need to find a way to blow this shit up from the safe distance. Ah, yeah, I think I got something, right? Just gonna need one big rocket. Set it all up. And I just need to rotate this shit. Physics tool, there we are. Flashlight on, inventory. And just aim it at the... Let's aim it at the garage, because that seems like a much safer way to go about this. Time to run, time to fucking run. Did they do anything? Alright, now's the time to run. Let's just get away before the cops find me. And let's watch as this house goes up in the flames. Is that the right house, right? Yeah, that's the one. Bro? Was that a thought? No, it wasn't. There's the red smoke. Last time to say goodbye to your ears comes now. This will be clearly for just my enjoyment, because you will hate me by the end of this. So get ready, everyone. It's showtime. That's a good start. That's a better start. I like where this is going. Keep it up, keep it up. This firework display is really something else. Whole house is bad. As it screams in agony, exploding inside out. That wasn't it, right? do need a little help. No, I don't think it does. I think my game froze. And my recording to... Oh! Here we are again. Holy motherfucker, this is absolute. Well, that house is no longer standing alive. I think it shouldn't have. I think I just made a display level this place. How many? Why? God, no. Oh, yeah, baby, let's blow shit up. Holy Christ. That's actually really good. Just wanted to see. Look at this. This is beautiful. The same way High Switch is beautiful. It's painful to watch, but it's really I think I just required a normal sound card. I can't even cower. Well, this they are fighting back. And we made a absolutely killer show out of that one. Look at this. Go. Look at this. Looks like the smoke bombs are actually of kind of nice. They really make the whole shit come to another level of hellish and unsettling. I like it. How are you done here? I hate to be that guy, but slow down. Please. Take a step back. This feels like awfully nice. Holy. I may have overdone that one. Are we done? Please tell me we are done. Please. Holy shit. Oh my fucking god. There was a house here. There used to be a house. Oh great. Goody. 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 I love you. Out for lunch, you say? Oh, that seems easier. That brings me a good question. Why stop here when I can just blow this whole shit up? Yeah, let's do that. This place is already stocked, so why not add a little bit more, eh? Just little one that I can easily move. If I can actually... Goodbye. Stay. Finally light you up. And run for my fucking life. Did that work? Did it not? It didn't do shit. What kind of off-brand bullshit are you selling, mate? This is supposed to blow the fuck out. Alright, I give you benefit of the doubt, and I will just set up one hurry up, because that seems like a bit more responsible thing to do. Responsible for me, I'm responsible for this walker, I'm not for him. He didn't do shit. And I'm just gonna froze this, light this on fire. Grab how? Alright, fuck this. That's better. Cody, I love ya. Thanks, man. You really know how to make a new years. Please don't do this. Anyway, just don't do this. Like no. Go there. Fireworks. That's not bulletproof enough. And I think I just unleashed the devil. I just unleashed the devil and I stumbled across the church. Because... Can I blow this shit up? You know what, let's end this episode with this bad boy. He looks so big and thick and juicy, I just wanna blow it the fuck up. Let's go. Thine father giveth me fireworks for repentance of thy something something. I didn't read the Bible. Just need to connect all of this. That should be enough. Run the fuck away. Holy shit! Hey, boy. Oh, goody. There goes another week. Whoever designed this firework had not ever even read about safety regulations. There's nothing safe about that one. And I fucking love it. What the fuck is that? Hey Timmy, can you throw me a hand? More or less bit of your body. Just a little bit of it, you know. I'm gonna need a little ride, alright? Just need to freeze you. Sit. Listen, Tim, this will go one way or another. And I will ride you to that thing, whatever it is, actually. I have no clue. Let's go! Not without me, you dumb fuck! I might just walk there, for my own sake. That seems like an interesting place to be at. You know what, I will try riding Tim. Let's have some fun with this new boy. Alright, so you can definitely ride on him. I guess I will have to walk this. I mean, I'm not complaining, I'm just interested. What was that pink shithead there? Did I really nuke some of those stuff all the way up here? Don't get me wrong, I would not be surprised. I'm just... There it is. Did I really walk past it? Whatever it is, I wanna find it. Seems like a fun out of bounds Easter egg for anyone who actually cares. Oh, look at that. It's a bird boy. Something white under him. Let's read it. Congrats, you found a grand flamingo. Show what you awesomeness, take a screenshot, share on Twitter using Firefox Mania. Continue being awesome. I'll try to add more Easter eggs like this in the future. Oh, nice. No, I got a better question for ya. Can I reach the moon? Come on, Tim. You and I can do this. Alright, one team ain't big enough. I might need to start that. And let's find a way to make Tim the most interesting person. Because goddamn, I'm gonna need it. Wait. Is this storage shed openable by any means? And by any means I mean with a little bit of yeah. It indeed is. That's nice. Can I now take this door out? Yes. Alright, everything seems to be working fine so far. So far, so good. Let's freeze this. Specials. Let's try one team in the middle. We lost him. Just need more Well, that didn't do shit. But I'm gonna try getting to the moon. And by try, I mean blow shit up until something promising happens. Alright, the garage is not openable. For sale, eh? Can I take a look around then? Please. Swear I will be good boy. Alright, maybe not. I should probably start with that voice before something bad happens. Got a whole fucking pool area here. Look at this. You didn't invite me to your pool party? How rude. I really think I wouldn't notice. Well, I did. You rude man. I think I found solution to all of my problems. I'm gonna need to take you and Flippia right around there. I said and Flippia, and you will listen to me. That's order. I can make this work, right? Good news, we are already levitating, so that's a huge plus. Oh god, get off. I think I'm gonna have to go with you. For my own sake, alright? Let's blow shit up. Hey Tim, come here. You seem like a fun dude. Just need to use it. Ready for liftoff. Let's fly high, my children. Is it connected rightly? Yep, it is. I am going to the moon somehow. Don't ask any stupid questions. I'm going up. Well, physics never let me down. Can't really complain about getting to the moon, can I? Wanna send me up? I believe in myself. I have no clue how I'm doing this, but it seems like I'm going up. Moon. I think I'm going up. Indeed I am. Let's try flying with Tim one more time, just for the good luck, you know. That would likely take me. Alright, Timmy, don't disappoint your papa. You and me are going to the moon. Oh. Okay, maybe it's a bit too far off, you know. But I'm not giving up on going up. I'm making it to the moon one way or another. If Cap can do it, I can do it too. You know what? Fuck NASA. I can reach the moon myself. I am professional at flying cars. Are we there yet? So fucking close, it hurts. Alright, Tim, I give you another shot. Just because I feel kinda like this could work. If you would be a good boy and tell me up. How is that not high enough? Alright, fuck this. I'm making my final efforts here and now. One of them is gonna reach the moon, and I'm gonna be on it. I think I'm gonna stick to the flying car tactic. Shouldn't be too much higher by no. Just country roads take me home. I think we have successfully reached the Atmo. Get back here. Well, there goes my fucking truck. You know what they say, if you don't succeed, try and blow yourself 20 meters into the air by using 90 times. And I got perfect place where can I blow up. This bad boy can pick 90 more. That came from right gas station. I trust you on this, right? You and I are good friends, right? Didn't just blow you up. Blowing somebody does. Just need to lit one of those fuck shits. Yeah, I don't think that actually worked. I think I'm just permanently blind. And still. Oh. Spotlight, eh? I can be in the spotlight daily from now on. I don't think anything is gonna stop me from having spotlight on me. Well, other than my death. You know what, that's enough playing around with Tamor getting to the moon. I'm gonna try it later on if you would like to see another episode. But for now, closure. I blew this building. Right, this mofo is open. Why are you open, buddy? Are you hiding something from little old me? You shouldn't have. Because I'm gonna blow it up. Well, whatever. I think they are not. I think this garage is just opened. L- yeah, I think I'm gonna get. Why I wanna send piano to space. You know what? Thank you all so much for watching today's episode of Fireworks Mania. But we are ending it here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I can blow shit up later if you actually like this. Bye bye, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are not dead by the end of this, because this would be useless if you were. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, Maciej and Hendrik. It's been a pleasure being your host today, and I see you later. Goodbye.